I feel like I'm in a time in my life where just wearing a bathrobe around the house is absolutely acceptable. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. So you guys know that I've been wanting to do some fun fall videos here in October because I absolutely love the fall season, but we're gonna skip forward just a tiny touch into winter because today I am partnering with FabFitFun to show you guys the winter 2023 FabFitFun box. And I'm also really excited about that because I love winter as well. So let's go ahead and get on it. Oh my goodness, I caught it. It's a good thing. It's a very good thing. I'm fairly certain there's something breakable in here. All right, so let's go ahead and get on into this little guy. He does seem a little bit littler than usual. I think he's kind of cute though. I like this color. That's a good color. So if you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription. You get it 4 times a year. You get full-size items inside of it, which is awesome. It comes with beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home items. And you get to customize your items, which is so nice. You get to pick what you want. Plus, as a member, you get access to flash sales, so you can get up to like 70% off top brands. And you can also swap your box for shop credit. So if you don't love your customization options, you can just swap your box and get credit towards the shop. What is the most cool thing is that this holiday season, FabFitFun has given me 2 different offers for you guys. So if you use my code ARGIFT, you can get a free gift valued at over $200 with your new annual membership. I personally am an annual member and I really like it. Even if FabFitFun didn't send me this box to review, like I have my own personal annual membership. You get first dibs on picking out what you want for your box, and you also get faster shipping and first access to flash sales. But if you want to sign up as a seasonal member, I also have a code for that. If you use my code AR20, you get 20% off your first seasonal box, which makes your first box only $47.99. And each box is valued up to $350, so it's a really great value. All right, so let's go ahead and get on into this box and see what we got. I'm so excited to see what we got for winter. I'm fairly certain I forgot the whole T in the word winter there. I just said winter, but I am from Kentucky, so maybe that's it. I get a pass. All right, so the first item we have here is a little necklace. That's cute. I think I picked this. I typically am not a huge jewelry person. Right now I just have on this cute little necklace that says Ren and Tater. The other day before I made my choices for this box, I was wanting like a long, like kind of longer necklace. I don't really have anything like that, so I saw this little necklace stack and I thought it was just so cute. This is from Maryland Schiff. It looks like there's 2 necklaces, but it is only 1 chain, which I personally like because like my necklaces get all tangled into like a knotted ball anytime I ever wear 2 necklaces. I don't know how to like alleviate that problem, so the fact that it is just 1 necklace but it kind of looks like 2, I like that. There's a nice little sparkly gem on this one and then just a very simple kind of gold bead, but I feel like if, oh my heavens, I kind of feel like if you didn't want to wear the sparkly rhinestone, you could always wear it backwards. That way it just looks like there's 2 like gold balls and no like shiny stone. These boys are running amok today. What did I just say about me getting my necklaces all messed up? Good boy. Did you jump up there all by yourself? Good boy. That's a big jump. So it is fairly simple, but I personally really like that. I like very simple jewelry, and it does give you like quite a range here, so you could make it a little bit shorter, a little bit longer. Like I said, I wanted something a little bit longer, and all my necklaces are kind of like this length. So I'm gonna try it on, but I'm gonna clasp it like kind of at the very last little length there, so it will be longer. Okay, cute. Yeah, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it like this. If I lay it on top of my sweatshirt, it just doesn't look that great. I feel like this is not maybe a sweatshirt necklace, but it lays nicely when it's just like more against my skin or maybe something less bulky. It hangs lower than where like all of my other necklaces hit, so I could actually wear my other necklaces with this. And by my other necklaces, I mean the only other 2 necklaces I own. Okay, cute. I like this. I don't really wear a lot of jewelry. I truly don't, but if I am looking for something just a tiny bit longer but still kind of simple, I feel like this is a very like easy go-to necklace. Alrighty, next up in here, what do we have? Oh, heck yeah. You know what? I truly and honestly did not think I got this. I remember like looking at the choices and I thought I skipped over this one, but I'm glad I didn't because I was just talking about how I ran out of my lash serum and I didn't get any more because it was too expensive. And that's one thing that's really cool about FabFitFun is like some of the stuff you get in here, like Grande Lash for instance. I think that this 3-month supply, isn't this like 60 bucks? Tater, not on camera, buddy. Yeah, okay, $68. That's why I didn't buy any more of my own. It's too expensive. But this box costs less than $68. So this you get your value all right here. Man, the Kentucky's just really coming out today. I'm pretty sure I just said value. This is what the little tube of Grande Lash looks like. It just looks like a little mascara tube, but there's just a tiny little wand. And this honestly, it does truly work. I did use this for quite some time and then I stopped using it, like I said, because of expense. And my lashes definitely do not look the same as when I was using this like all the time. I personally really like it and I am quite excited that I did pick this for the box. I don't remember doing it, but I'm very excited. I saw a comment actually, like I think in my last video where I was talking about like, man, you know, my eyelashes don't look the same since I stopped using lash serum, but I don't really buy it anymore because it's just too expensive. And then somebody commented and they said, hey, like it's gonna be available in FabFitFun. And I was like, man, I wish I had picked that. Here it is. All right, next up here, what are you? Oh, it's an apron. Okay, I do remember picking this. I want to get into baking more. I love baking. It has been quite some time since I like really baked, but I used to bake cakes and like decorate them all up with fondant and all that jazz. Maybe I'll slap in some pictures of my probably very unprofessional cakes in here, but I thought they were fun to do. I have a whole lot to learn when it comes to baking and cake decorating and stuff, but I have been wanting to get into baking more, and I would really love to bake stuff for my store. This little apron here is from Cookin' Down South. It doesn't say cooking at all, does it? It says sewing down south. This little apron is from Sewing Down South, hence, you know, the sewing machine. Oh, it's a really interesting texture. I kind of thought it would just be like a cotton apron, but it almost feels plasticky. Like not like, you know, like plastic like this, but it feels like you could just clean it easy, which I appreciate. I like that. It does feel a tiny bit tableclothy almost, but I thought the pattern was kind of cute. I like the little plaid design of it. It honestly reminds me of fall a bit. It doesn't scream winter to me. It screams fall, and I'm okay with that. I love fall better. I do love fall better than winter, so if we can just extend fall into winter, fantastic. So there is a little adjustable apron strap here. If I can get it over my giant bun. Tighten it up how you like, and then yeah, it's just a little apron. You gotta do the fold thing. You always gotta do the fold thing. Does everybody else fold their aprons up like this? Or is that, I don't know why I do that. Where did I get that from? I just feel like it's apron etiquette, or maybe it's just short torso etiquette. I don't know. One of those. It's got two little pockets here on the front, and there's like a very pale pink. I don't think I saw the pink online, but there is just like a very pale pink little stripe in this, which is kind of cute. So I picked this because I do want to get into baking more. Like I said, I would love to bake stuff for my store second in Maine. We did have a baker in there that was doing fresh baked like sourdough breads and cookies and stuff, but she had a baby, and it's a ton of work. So I totally understand why she couldn't do it anymore. I want to bake things like banana breads, pumpkin bread, cookies, brownies, that kind of stuff. Just some really simple, easy things to put in there. But yeah, I needed an apron because I didn't have one. So now I have one. Next up here, we have a little pack of face masks from Aceology. These are probiotic restoring biodegradable face masks, and this is something that like I really wanted to get something that was, you know, on like the beauty side of things. I feel like when I do these boxes, especially the fall and the winter ones, I tend to pick a lot more of like the home decor and the lifestyle stuff. So I did want to get something that was on like the beauty side so I could have like a wide range of stuff inside of the box. But I also have been using masks and stuff a little bit more often, especially like anything to help just to depuff my face, just make it a little less puffy. I don't know what probiotic restoring is going to do for me, but I'm hoping it'll help my face feel better. It's supposed to nourish, calm, and protect. Oh, that sounds lovely. Ooh, okay, it says it provides moisturizing, strengthening, and smoothing action while highly absorbable form of hyaluronic acid instantly hydrates. That's something I really could use because my face is so dehydrated currently. Like it's really dry. It's a little bit itchy. I have like strange patches. Maybe it's from where like I'm wearing my glasses, because I have like weird patches kind of in like a glasses shape right here along my cheeks of like really rough skin. Oh my goodness, this is a 30-minute mask. Typically they're like 15 to 20. That's a long time to leave this on your skin. But it says the smooth fibers adhere comfortably without slipping off, so that's good. So yeah, I'll give those a try and see if that'll help with the hydration issue at all. I've been using like a lot of moisturizers and stuff, but still, there's something about like, I don't know, the glasses. I don't know if I'm having some type of like contact dermatitis with these glasses. They are very old. They're very old. They're also like super etched along the bottom, not only because Rin's chewed on them a little bit. I don't know if you can see that there, but I wore these glasses during a very rough time of my maybe sometimes I share too much. This is a little bit sad, but I was wearing these glasses at a time when I was tearing up a lot. There's a lot of tears flowing during a certain part of my life. So it literally, the tears, the saline, the salt and the tears ate away the bottom of my glasses. Didn't know that was possible, but it happened. So maybe what I'm saying here is it's time for new glasses, because they could be irritating my skin, perhaps from like the rubbed away plastic. Anywho, let's go ahead and move on to another item. Let's maybe just skip past that, move on to another item. Maybe I'll cut that out. Okay, next up is something I am very excited about, because this is like the cozy winter element that I've been wanting. That's one of the reasons that I really love the fall and the winter boxes. Typically, they're really like cozy, comfy boxes. So far, this one hasn't been super wintry to me personally, but I feel like this is gonna help. Ooh, that is very, very cozy. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, Ew. Ew. Oh, I like this even more than I thought I was going to. Oh, it's like a little blanket. It's a body blanket. All right, so the next item we have in here is a robe. And at first I thought it was gonna be maybe like one of the puffier kind of terry clothish robes, which those are nice. Those are lovely. I was excited for that as well. Something to keep you like nice and warm while either you're getting ready in the morning or like after a shower or a bath. But this is so soft. It's actually a lot thinner than I anticipated, which I personally like because even though I want to stay like warm and cozy after my bath, if I have like a thick heavy robe like wrapped around my body, just holding in all like the bath shower juices, just like the heat and the humidity, like I can't handle that. I get too toasty. So this I feel like is a very good compromise where it's gonna be warm and cozy, but it's also thin enough to where I'm not gonna sweat to death. Oh, plus just wearing around the house. I feel like I'm in a time in my life where just wearing a bathrobe around the house is absolutely acceptable. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this little string for? Oh, there's an extra little string. I'm not quite sure what that's for. Probably should have untied this before I put it on my body. Oh, yes, this is what I'm talking about. This is yum. This is cozy. I feel like every mother on Christmas morning, if I just had like a cup of coffee, let me pull my glasses down a little bit, a cup of coffee, sitting there watching the kiddos open their Christmas presents, that's what I feel like right now. I can already attest to it being fairly warm. I am wearing a sweatshirt right now, but the sweatshirt robe combo, extra toasty. I feel like the sleeves are a little bit short. I am, but well, I'm wearing probably something a little bit bulkier than most people wear underneath their robes. But I'm almost also wondering if it's a little bit on purpose because like, have you ever just drug your robe through something? Like imagine like if this had like long kind of flowy normal robe sleeves and just drug it through something. It's just the ickiest feeling. I don't like that feeling whatsoever. Even like the sleeves like this, you're like washing your hands or like washing something in the sink and like water dribbles down to your cuffs. Oh heavens. It's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. I have to change. I have to change. Just the feeling of like wetness kind of like touching your wrists. So maybe the sleeves are kind of short on purpose, so like when you're getting ready and stuff, you're you're not having water and things get on your sleeves. Or maybe they're just not super long sleeves. I don't know. But I will say this is just so soft and cozy. Like just the fabric, the material. It's a little bit of like a shiny gray. It does feel honestly like one of those comfy blankets. It feels like I'm wearing a blanket with sleeves, which I'm always here for. The inside is a little bit of a different material than the outside. The outside is like where it's really soft. The inside is soft as well, but like in a different way. Maybe perhaps this works better like if you are damp or something, this material would feel better against your skin than this one. I don't know, but the inside, it feels fine, but the outside is what's really soft. Speaking of Christmas gifts and stuff, like that's another thing about this box that's great. You can either like get this box and keep all the items for yourself, or you already have like kind of some gifts ready to go. You know what I mean? Like you can get a really good deal on a whole bunch of things and then you can gift it to other people, or you could gift like an entire subscription to somebody. That could be fun as well. Why can't I reach the sleeve? There we go. They do also have those really big flash sales. They have one coming up for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And like I said, you can, it's stuck to my chair. Get off. Oh my gosh. There's only one item left in the box and I am pretty excited about these. Oop. In our fall FabFitFun boxes, we got the little pretty wine glasses and I love those. I had to go ahead and get another set in the box that I subscribed to myself. So now I have 4 of those glasses, but when I saw that these little guys were an option, I wanted to get these as well because I don't know, I think I'm just really into the kind of like colored glass right now. I think it's really pretty. I'm afraid they're gonna break. Oh, they're so pretty. Ah, look at these little guys. So these I think are super cute. They are 2 little candlesticks. They're very fragile feeling. So I am gonna try to like have some restraint and maybe not wave them around as much. Ah. Whoa, okay. So like the stick part here is like hollow glass. They're incredibly lightweight. Like I said, very thin, very fragile, but they just hold 2 taper candles. They have quite a wide base to them, so that's good. It makes them a little sturdy. I feel like the green color might not be showing up like how exactly it is in real life on camera, but it's just a really nice green. It's not like a seafoam green or forest green. It's green. I don't know. How do they describe it on here? I want to know if they have like a name for the color. Glass candlestick holder set of 2. So no, not too many details. Oh my goodness. It says each piece is handmade and unique. That makes me like them even more that they're handmade. Slight changes in color and size may vary. Okay, so since they are handmade, they might be a tiny bit different from each other. It doesn't give like a color name to these, but they're just a nice green. I don't know. It's pretty. I have been wanting to incorporate a little bit of green into my house. I've been seeing some beautiful beautiful homes that have like the most gorgeous green tones in them. And right now my house has like, it has very, very little color. So I am trying to slowly introduce some other colors, and I do think I want to introduce some greens. That's why I thought these would be great. I think they're super pretty. They are just so very delicate feeling, and I'm a little bit nervous about just being around them, you know? But I figure if I just pop some candles into them and put them on a shelf, not too many bad things can happen. Maybe stop waving them around and like smashing them together in the camera. That could help as well. Oh, they kind of go with the box a little bit. Oh, they look kind of cute with that. This like dark, almost blue-green color with this green. Ooh, maybe I should introduce a little bit of this color into the house as well, like a real like moody blue. That could be nice. Anywho, very cute, very excited about these. Probably one of my favorite items in the box this season. I was gonna say month, I was gonna say year. Season is what we're looking for. Why is that there? Has that been there the entire time? Just in the way. That's good. I really should like check the perimeter, do like a perimeter sweep before I start filming to make sure there's nothing like, you know, distracting in the way, like a big shiny mirror. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I think the candlesticks and the robe and maybe the eyelash serum, to be honest, just because that's something I didn't want to buy on my own, are my favorite items from this season. I don't necessarily think this season has been super wintry, and that's probably my biggest complaint about it. I would like it to feel a little bit more connected to the season. I feel like the robe for sure definitely kind of fits into the season, and these do too, you know, like green, trees, pine, forest. Like I said, this is one of the boxes I always look forward to the most, so I do wish that it was a little bit more wintry, a little bit more seasonal, because I love winter as well. But I thought it was pretty good. I still think fall for 2023 has been my favorite FabFitFun box for the year. This one was okay. I feel like we definitely saw some pretty good value in here and some pretty good items, but fall was absolutely my favorite. This one was good though. It was okay, but I would love to know what you guys thought down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys are getting the winter box. Let me know what you picked. What did you like out of this box? What did you not like out of this box? What would you have preferred to have seen in this box? I still feel like maybe a candle. I want a candle every season though, so I feel like if every season had like a candle, a blanket, some fuzzy socks, maybe like a pretty glass piece, and like a cute thing of makeup, I would be happy. Just every season do the same thing. Summer, spring, winter, and fall. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean an absolute world to me. I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!